Let me ask you something. How many hours have you lost replying to the same customer questions, chasing leads, or just wishing you could clone yourself to close more sales? Now, imagine this: a brand new AI chatbot called HumanBot AI that literally talks, sells, and supports like a real human. Actually, scratch that, better than most humans I know. And it's selling out as we speak. Here's why everyone's losing it over HumanBot AI. First, this thing learns your business. You feed it your website, PDFs, knowledge base, or docs, and it just gets it. No more canned replies. It adapts to your and answers like your smartest employee, 24/7, no coffee breaks. But wait, this isn't some generic chatbot with robotic text bubbles. You get a lineup of AI digital humans from all backgrounds. Pick one that matches your audience, or go wild and create a whole team. They don't just type, they actually. We're talking real-time voice chat, with hundreds of lifelike male and female voices in every major language and accent. Or hey, use your own voice and let your digital twin handle the conversations. Wild, right? Now, if live chat is your thing, HumanBot AI's got unlimited seats. Bring your team on board, handle as many chats as you want, and deliver that VIP experience your brand deserves. Plus, it's got a drag-and-drop chat funnel builder so you can design customer journeys, answer questions, make offers, and even reward your prospects, all in one smooth flow. Let's get tactical. Set up keyword triggers for instant, smart responses. Want to launch fast? Use a ready-made template, no tech headaches. Need to connect with your CRM or other tools? HumanBot AI plugs in with Zapier, so your data moves where you need it. Here's what really seals the deal: analytics. You see exactly what your visitors want, what converts, and where to boost ROI. Plus, with AI-powered auto-translate and location detection, your chatbot greets visitors in their own language, so nothing gets lost in translation, and you're selling worldwide 24/7. And let's not forget those personalized touches. Address customers by name, location, email, you name it. Trigger chats at the perfect moment, whether that's on exit, on arrival, or whenever you want to grab attention and close the deal. All of this, plus 50 more features, comes with unlimited access for a single, tiny one-time price. No subscriptions. No surprises. Nothing else on the market even comes close. But here's the kicker. Demand is exploding, and I can't promise this launch deal will stick around. If you want to automate your sales and support, turn every visitor into a customer, and stop leaving money on the table, this is your shot. Hit the link below and unlock the special launch deal before it's gone. Your future self will thank you.